Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Rifa Zakial Muna. I'm a student of Esa Unggul University, majoring in English Education Department. And today, I would like to present about language acquisition, and my title is Breaking Barriers: Language Learning with Dyslexia. Okay, what is dyslexia? Dyslexia is a learning difference that mainly affects a person's ability to read, spell, write, and sometimes speak. It is not related to intelligence. People with dyslexia are often just as smart as others, but their brains process language in different ways. Okay, in this time, I'm taking a case study of the 2007 Indian film entitled Tare Zameen Par, in which Ishan as a main character with dyslexia and Ram Shankar as a teacher inspiring in the art. Understanding dyslexia through Ishan. Dyslexia is a learning difficulty that affects reading, writing, and spelling, not intelligence. And in this film, Ishan struggled with basic reading and writing tasks, often confusing letters and failing academically. He is labeled as a lazy person or troublemaker by teachers and even his family, which is a common misconception. Ishan couldn't read or write, but he showed the word in ways others couldn't. So, how Ishan overcome dyslexia? The first one is being recognized and understood by an empathic teacher. The art teacher Ram Shankar is the first person to recognize that Ishan isn't lazy or stupid, but actually has dyslexia. Everyone thought Ishan was just a troublemaker. The teacher showed his struggle differently as a sign of an undiagnosed learning difference. And the second is using multisensory learning methods. Ishan is taught visual, auditory, and kinesthetic techniques. For the example, like reading aloud, tracking letters, using drawings, and imagery to connect meaning. These methods are very effective for dyslexic learners because they engage multiple senses at once. And the third is expressing himself through creativity, like in the art and imagination. Ishan is deeply gifted in painting and imagination. His teacher allows him to express himself freely through art without academic pressure. This not only boosts his confidence, but also reveals his true potentials to others. And the last one is personalized learning approach. The teacher adapts the learning process to fit Ishan's pace and learning style. He isn't forced to follow the standard classroom speed, but is guided in a way that works for him. And dyslexic students often need extra time and a different teaching approach, not about pressure. Now, challenge in learning second language, L2. For individuals like Ishan, learning a second language adds complexity. In this area, like phonology, vocabulary, grammar rules, and motivation. And for the phonology, the challenge is confusing letter sounds in both L1 and L2. And for the vocabulary, the challenge is difficult remembering new words. And for the grammar rules, the challenge is struggle understanding structure. For the example, like tenses. And the last is motivations area. The challenge is fear or failure or being moved. Does age affect language learning with dyslexia? Yes, Ishan being a child benefits from early intervention, showing that time support at a young age can significantly improve learning outcomes even with dyslexia. Okay, and for the conclusion about this film, Ishan was able to overcome his struggle with dyslexia, not because he was forced to study harder, but because someone finally understood him. And with the help of a caring teacher, creative learning methods, and emotional support, Ishan found the confidence to learn in his own way. His journey showed that with patience, direct approach, and encouragement, and every children with dyslexia can success and shine in the future. Well, that's all my presentations. Thank you for your attention and see you later. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.